Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you're watching this one. I hope you guys are doing great. Another beautiful property today, guys, that we're out showing. 8022 Vega Horizon. We're on the far west side of San Antonio by 14 and Pearsall Road. Beautiful community, really quiet. Been here for about 30 minutes and one or two cars have gone by so far. Towards the end of the neighborhood, so less traffic. This one is a 4.5, 2,300 square feet home. Beautiful home, new construction. Let's go ahead and check it out. We have all the brick on the front. You guys can see here we have the front brick, and we have a porch here. Nice little staring area set up that we have. All right, when we enter the property, we have some updated light fixtures. A nice little welcome area. And this would be our dining area right when we walk in, with some windows looking out. This is our view here. From our dining area, we have this view. And over here we have our laundry room. And then upstairs we have the 3 rooms and a full bath. Here's the garage. That one's locked because they have all their personal belongings in there since they are moving. But we'll show you the house. Look at this beautiful kitchen. Do you guys agree it's beautiful? Let me turn up the dim here. They have dimmable lights. That's the reason why it was so dark. But let me show you this beautiful kitchen, guys. Long Island. Perfect for Long Island. See, that's what it's for. You guys can see it's a big idea here. Alright, stainless steel fridge. Beautiful stainless steel appliances. And that would be our view to the living room. And over there in the back is our master. Let's go ahead and check it out. And as far as the pantry guy, you guys can see it's a walk-in pantry, good size. All right, let's go ahead and take you guys to the living room. It has a high ceiling pitch. So towards the end, it gets higher. So it has high ceiling in the living room. Outside we have a covered patio, but let me take you over here first. We have a half bath here. Hello. We have a half bath here, guys. Full half bath here. And then right across we have a full bath. Sorry, the master's for the full bath, that's what I meant to say. Beautiful flooring on the master's floor as well. 2 large windows, let in plenty of lighting. The backyard looks cool. Let me see if I can get you guys. The backyard looks cool. I'll take you guys outside right now. But check out this beautiful master bedroom, guys. How does that look? Very good sized master bedroom. They also updated their light fixture. Beautiful headboard. Now let's go ahead and check out their master bath. Oh yeah, it has a full garden shower, double sink vanity. And besides the shower, it also has besides the tub, it also has a shower with a large walk-in closet, guys. Alright, he's giving us some more storage space back here. But we have it here. Alright, that's how the room is. Let's walk out. So it has some nice decorations up there. And then it has its own private toilet area with the door, which is great for privacy. Alright, beautiful flooring, guys, across the whole floor. Across the whole bottom floor. You guys can see. I'll take you guys upstairs and we'll go take you guys outside. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, guys, 14 steps to get to the top. But we have a second living room up here. A family area, family room here. Beautifully decorated. Beautiful location. Really close to Lagland Base, guys. You won't have trouble if you're looking at this property for a rental, or you're looking at it for yourself because you live close to Lackland Air Force Base. Really good home. Here's the 3rd bedroom. Hello, it's me again. Good size, 2 windows. They're not as big as the other rooms, but 2 nice windows. And big rooms, nice big rooms. Again, 2,300 square foot home. There's one room. And then we have our full bath that they share up here. Right, their full bath that they share. And then we're gonna go over here. And we have 2 more rooms back here, guys. But for now, I'm gonna show you the linen closet. And then this would be the second room upstairs. Again, the 3 rooms are upstairs. It has a master down, which is a great benefit. I currently own a home with a master down and I love it, guys. I can't imagine going upstairs. But okay, this is room number 3. Nice full-size bed. Plenty of room on the side. Plenty of space to get out there. Pick this up here. All right. Let's go ahead and take you guys back downstairs. There's a window here. Let me show you what the backyard looks like before we get out there. That way you get a better view of the neighbors and of the other properties in the area. All right. What are you doing over there? Everybody good? Everybody looks good, guys. Don't see anything crazy. All right, let's go back over here. Let's go ahead and go take it back downstairs, guys. And see what you guys think of the backyard. All right, beautiful kitchen again. Patio. It's covered patio with some concrete, beautiful for some barbecue. Perfect, waiting for you guys to come and enjoy it. All right, concrete as I mentioned. Large patio area, roof covering. Check out this backyard. Amazing backyard, guys. All right, you guys know how we do it. We walk out, feel the yard. Make sure there's water. The ground is not wet. Make sure there's no leaks. And more importantly, to get the view from the side and from the back of the property, guys. You have our entrance here. All right, some barbecue pits are set up. The chairs are set up. The only thing that's missing is you guys. Right, you're looking for a brand new home under $285,000. This was $280,000. It's been 7 days on the market. Less than $285,000. Really, right next to Lackland Air Force Base. Let me know, guys. We have this one and many more in the area. Thanks again.